Hello, my name is Lucy and today I'll be the commentator of this launch. This time our Flaming Tiger rocket will be supporting a mission to test the Menoncin Capsule. The Menoncin Capsule is an 11-ton crewed spacecraft. In the future, we'll launch humans aboard this capsule to the International Space Station. Also, today's destination is the International Space Station, though before, the Menoncin Capsule will stay in orbit for 1.5 days for some testing and to perform all 3 burns to dock with the ISS. Soon, our teams will finish loading propellant into the first stage. The first stage is powered by 9 engines that use liquid oxygen and RP1 as fuel.
First stage propellant loading is complete.
The first stage is now fully loaded. In T-2 minutes, our teamers will finish loading the second stage with the same propellant as the first stage, though the second stage is only powered by a single vacuum-optimized engine. Now, let's talk about the flight plan for this launch. As you possibly know, on the last launch the Blue Sky booster failed to land on the Could You Land on Me droneship. This team, we solved the problems it had when the booster touched down on the droneship. It was at too much horizontal velocity, which made him tip over and explode. The brightening red booster, which is supporting today's launch, has an optimized flight computer to avoid any horizontal velocity at touchdown, so this time it should land. Apart from that, when the capsule reaches orbit, it will pass through an integrity assessment and a pressure test. Following that is the capsule separation. After 3 burns, the capsule will finally be near the ISS, where it will pass through 4 waypoints before docking. Remember that the docking procedure is entirely made by the flight computer. The last but not least, after 7 days docked, the capsule will undock and then make 3D orbit burns before re-entering and landing on the Earth. On the last Menoncin Capsule launch, its cargo variant couldn't make it through the re-entry, though we have improved this capsule and no problem should appear. Also, this time, as the number of commulinks in orbit grow, we won't have any blackout during re-entry.
Second stage propellant loading is complete.
Now the Flaming Tiger is totally ready for launch. In T-1 minute and 30 seconds the tanks will start to pressurize, and at T-1 minute the flight computer will enter startup and Flaming Tiger will enter the final phase of the countdown, the terminal count.
Startup. We're go for launch.
Amazing Carrots here. The Flaming Tiger is ready for the launch. Godspeed.
Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 0. Ignition. And lift off. Go Flaming Tiger. Go Menoncin Capsule.
Astonishing views here at Cape Canaveral. The Flaming Tiger will now go up until around 90 kilometers, where we'll have stage separation.
Flaming Tiger is pitching downrange. Max Q.
And now Flaming Tiger has passed through the maximum dynamic pressure phase. From now on, the pressure outside of Flaming Tiger's fuselage will only go down.
Vac engine chill.
Now, Flaming Tiger is cooling down its second stage engine, so it can successfully start operating after stage separation.
MECO. Stage separation confirm. Vac engine ignition.
Amazing! The first stage will now head to the Unstable Connection Droneship, while the second stage head to orbit.
Flip maneuver. Entry burn. Entry burn shut down. Landing burn. Landing legs deployed. The brightening red booster has landed on the Unstable Connection Droneship.
Amazing landing. The first stage will now return to the Port Canaveral to be refurbished so it can be reused on future missions.
SECO.
Now the second stage will enter a short coast phase, though do not leave the stream now. We'll be broadcasting the whole coast phase and second engine restart. Also, this is the interior of the Menoncin Capsule. These bodies are mass simulators with 90 kilograms each one. Now we'll have 6 minutes of coast phase. See you soon.
Second engine restart. Seco 2.
Now, the Menoncin capsule is in orbit. Thank you for watching. For additional imagery of this launch, check our Twitter or join our Discord community in the description. See you on the next launch.